In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Forms on your website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're conducting a survey, collecting feedback, or handling event registrations, embedding a Google form directly on your site can streamline the process greatly. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to your Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that holds the form you wish to embed. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the top of the screen for the apps icon. This is a small grid of dots usually located in the upper right corner. Clicking on it will unveil a drop-down menu filled with different Google apps. From this menu, select the Google Forms option. When you do this, it will take you directly to your Forms dashboard, where you'll find all the forms you've created. Now, let's locate the specific form that you want to embed. If you have several forms, don't worry. You can use the search function to find the right one in no time. Simply type the name of the form in the search bar, and it should pop up. Once you see it, click on the form to open it up. You're doing great so far. Once you're inside the form, you'll notice a toolbar at the top right corner of the screen. Here, look for the vertical ellipsis, which is also referred to as the More button, and give it a click. A menu will come up with several options, but we're specifically interested in the option that says Embed HTML. Clicking this will bring up a new window that contains the embed code for your form. Google's provided a default size for the form, and you'll see it in this pop-up. However, don't feel restricted by those dimensions. You can adjust both the width and height according to how you want your form to appear on your website. This customization will ensure that the form fits seamlessly within your site's layout. Once you've made the adjustments, you'll want to click the Copy button. This action places the embed code on your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into your website's code. Now let's move on to the next step. Navigate to the website platform you are using. For this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating the process using Google Sites, but don't worry, the steps are pretty similar for most website building platforms. In your website editor, find the specific spot where you'd like to embed the form. Look for an Embed feature, which is typically represented by a code icon, or might literally say the word Embed. Clicking on this option will open up an area where you can paste the code. Choose the Embed Code option and paste the code that you copied from Google Forms earlier. Great job! With the code pasted, look for a button that says Next or something similar for your platform, which will confirm that you want to insert this embed code. After clicking on that, you'll usually have an additional Insert option. Hit it to place the Google form within your website. At this point, feel free to make any final tweaks to ensure that the form looks just right on your site. Take a minute to review how the form appears. If you see anything that needs adjusting, don't hesitate to go back and edit it. You want everything to look polished and professional before you go live with it. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to hit the Publish button for your site. By publishing your site, you're allowing visitors to interact with your Google form directly from your website, which enhances the overall user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Google form on your website. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your data collection efforts. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Happy embedding!